Hey guys, Paige here. This is my friend Callaway. Her and I haven't seen each other in the last year. It all started in early 2021 in Phoenix, Arizona. We both met each other and instantly clicked. And we both have since moved out of that state. Her living in Oregon, me living in Washington. And last year she decided to come up for a little trip. We saw a show together, enjoyed the weekend in each other's company, and since then, I've been trying to go out to see her. Schedules just haven't aligned, and life has been lifing nonstop. This morning, she sent me a voice memo telling me that she had a little bit of time next week and that she would love to see me. And I said, you know what? Let me book a train ticket, and I did. She has a lot to say though, so. I know, honey. It's criminal that she left us. But today is day 3. I guess my second full day, but I got here around 12:30 on Friday afternoon. I'm feeling really hungry right now, so I'm just gonna heat up some leftovers from breakfast yesterday. It's a lot of carbs, but I'll just eat that and then I'll go somewhere and get more food a little later, you know? I woke up around 7:30 this morning, had a nice slow morning. Hallie gave me a massage around 9 to 10 and that was really quite lovely. We got a coffee after, I got a little cortado. And yeah, we're back home. She left for work and now I'm alone. And I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. This is a clean oven, much cleaner than mine. Not to out myself like that, but it's the truth. Okay. I just got back from the market. I honestly didn't really have anything that I really wanted. I was looking at a sandwich, but it was kind of expensive for what it was. So I just started walking around and I purchased some beef jerky. If I don't finish it, it'll be nice to have on the train tomorrow. We have Flagship Beecher's cheese. It is so good. Just a little stick of cheese. Then I got these little like mangelos. I don't know. It's a tangerine variety or something. And then I purchased a almond butter date because it just looked cute and yummy. And then I bought not one LaCroix, but 2 LaCroix because I missed them. So that's my haul. Oh my God. That's my haul. I spent $17, but pretty happy. It is 8:30. I almost left my sunglasses on the train. Thank God I didn't.